Looking for an easier way to integrate SharePoint in your data architecture? Use Astera's native connector to seamlessly design automated data pipelines to and from the cloud storage without writing any code. Just drag and drop the connector in the Data Flow Designer. Select SharePoint from the drop-down menu and get access token by signing in to your account. Once connected, effortlessly add SharePoint to your data pipelines. Use Astera's library of connectors to quickly extract data from various file formats, databases, cloud platforms, and load all enterprise data in SharePoint within no time. Manipulate SharePoint data with built-in transformations and apply data quality rules. Easily connect SharePoint to various data warehouses or BI tools for analysis. Set up automated, trigger-based workflows and get accelerated insights. Adding SharePoint to your data architecture can streamline your business processes and maximize efficiency. Complement it with Astera's native connectivity and intuitive, code-free interface and get the most out of the cloud platform. Download Astera today and try it for free for 14 days.